Yo, hello guys, another lesson. Performance analysis, so it's going to be lesson number 14. Is it on the website? And you have the summary, and I thought I already put the screenshots for every lessons, but not. So in the course right now, you will just focus on the theory and you will listen from the course, and I will skip all the questions and answers to make this video as smooth as possible, and then you will have every question with every answer correctly answered on the website below the summary here. So almost every lesson have the summary, so you will have summary everywhere. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. So like that's going to look like so. Like we're just going to go to first lesson, then you have the summary, and then you have the screenshots with the proper questions and the answers. So if you want to dive more into that lesson, you can learn from it. Other than that, if you are thinking about opening your own brand business, you can design and build online business that you love. You can click that banner that will transfer you to the wealthy affiliate website, which I'm using it for basically building my own brand. So I just started like 6 weeks ago to create my own brand through the social media website. You are feel free to go to my website and see what you can possibly achieve within 6 weeks. And if you don't like the layout, you can totally change this like for super sleek pro layout. But I just want to keep it simple, so just don't really care much how it looks like. I think for me, like it's that's what I'm looking for. It's just white page with stuff what I'm promoting and I'm going to use. The website is all about the AI newses, so you have actually newsletter here, the AI rundown newsletter, and I'm just basically copy pasting and reading and learning the AI newses from Monday to Friday, basically. Yeah, so that's about it. Just going to jump into the lesson number 13, was it? Is it 13? Excuse me. I don't know, or maybe it's 14. I think it's 14. Yeah, it's 14. Lesson number 14. And it's performance analysis. I need to put the 14 here. Either way. I'm going to skip majority. Well, not majority. I'm going to skip every question and every answer. Just gonna on purpose do fuck ups to make this video faster, and you just focus on basically the content.
Performance analysis of AI prompts. Today, you will delve into the skills needed to analyze the performance of AI prompts and compare results based on key metrics. The urgent message. Imagine you are a professional data engineer who delegates most of your work to AI. Receive an alarming message from the CEO of the company. It turns out that your AI calculations gave an inaccurate answer to an important client, and now the whole team has to figure out what went wrong. It's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned, setting up the analysis. As you gather your team, decide to focus on 3 key metrics to evaluate the performance of the AI prompts: answer, accuracy, response rate, and user satisfaction. Now it's time to put data analysis process. Start by collecting data on the performance of the AI prompts over the past month. The data includes number 1, answer, accuracy, percentage of correct responses provided by the AI. 2, response rate, speed at which the AI responds to queries. 3. User satisfaction. Feedback ratings from clients on their experience. Identifying the problem. Upon analyzing the data, there's a significant drop in answer accuracy for certain types of queries. This drop coincides with changes made to the AI prompts last week. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you Refining the prompts. Now that you've identified potential causes, your team has decided to refine the AI prompts. Goal is to improve answer accuracy while maintaining a high response rate and user satisfaction. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You Evaluating the changes. After making the necessary changes, you need to run a new set of tests to evaluate the updated AI prompt's performance. The team followed these steps and created a perfect workflow for evaluating new AI prompts. 1. Gather data. Used various queries and scenarios to test the new prompts. 2. Compare performance. Assess the new prompts against the old ones to identify improvements. 3. Findings. Documented all testing processes and results for future reference. Now it's time to put your knowledge conclusion. This lesson learned how to analyze the performance of AI prompts using key metrics such as answer accuracy, response rate, and user satisfaction. For practicing refining prompts to improve performance and highlighting the importance of continuous monitoring.
Okay, okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for watching. 7 minutes, because I'm not fucking around. I'm just skipping the content. But like I said, you will have all the questions and answers, and you can just read them within a fucking 1 minute. So what's the fucking point to create like fucking half an hour video? Okie dokie, take care. Bye for now. See you guys in the next one.